Twitter, Twitch.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And Facebook Live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. We're going to be updating. I think we can get through it all. I don't know if I have enough time. We're going to be updating our permanent buy list. See if I got anything right or if I got anything wrong. We're going to do it live together. Today is 10/18, so it hasn't even been quite 2 months yet. Should do it every quarter, but I just feel like I want to do it now. All right. So for those of you who don't know, we do this little listy thing. Let me see if I can get this a little smaller. Yeah, that'll work. My chart's still okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. And good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. We'll be going over some exact stocks, where I'm going to call them, of course, demo trade only. There we go. Yay, let me get everything set up though real quick. All right, getting YouTube set up. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm going to call out a lot of different stocks, symbols this morning. Hold on. Now we should be good. Was it Saturday morning? Yeah, well, I decided to come on a Saturday morning. Coming to you from outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Which I must say, it's usually rainy here every day, but it's been a really nice fall. It's been extremely nice. All right. Now I am live. Okay. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Good morning, John C. Good morning, Kirk Brown. And good morning, Ellen. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. What's up, JL and Ryan? Good morning to everybody there, too. Let's put this on over here, and we're set to go. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. You're going to want to definitely rewatch this video. I'll guarantee you that. I am not a financial advisor. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Morning, D. Nice. Good morning, sir. These calls are just demo trades for fun and my personal views. Please read the disclaimers. For the indices, perfectly called indices are now considered closed. This is back on 8/18. I'm sorry, 8/28. Just take any 30-minute buy stop until further notice. This is how much profit was hit then. Oh, shit. I have to update all these? Fuck. I don't know about that. I mean, we made thousands more pips on US 30 since then. We'll come back to US 30s. All right, cryptos. Perfectly called cryptos that are now considered closed. All take profits hit on the following cryptos. You can still trade them. Just take any 30-minute buy stop. until further notice. For Bitcoin, yeah, well, that's true. All hits for Bitcoin. XRP hit. Yeah, you 10 times your money, 1,000% profit on XRP. 528.23, 31 cents, and called every day correctly cents. That is true. Stocks. I think I really need to update this list. Amazon. So I didn't call. So I'm just calling these as closed. Well, there's more than 11. Jesus, there's like 25 of them, 30. All right, so let's go over to here. Permanent buys, strongest recommendation. Yep, it went up 36%, not quite 50%. It did it twice though. Target, aha. Now this is what I want to see. All right. Okay, let's just update the stocks on this one, and then we'll go forward from there. Grand Rising to you, Tony. D Nice, Ellen, Kirk. Good morning, everybody, on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live. All right, so let's see how Nike has done. We'll go over 145. Well, let's take a look, and I'm going to modify these calls now for you. Right here. Let's go over to Nike. And I got to rearrange everything, too. Oh, it's going to take a long time. Let's see. Nike's up here. All right. Let's take a look at Nike and see what's going on. $10-minute, 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. $69. 15-minute buy stop. We're looking at Nike right now. It is a sell. Nike sell back down to $57 weekly. $56, okay. $81. All right. I don't even know. Where the fuck is Nike at? Let's see, currently. Nike. Which way do I want to do this? Hold on. $67.37. 67.37. Okay. Morning, everybody. It's going to be kind of a boring show, but not in my mind, but some people's. All right. All right, Nike. 6-month, 12-month demo buy. Stops take a long time to develop. Currently, it's at $67.37. The low will go to approximately $54 if it hasn't already hit that. Take profit one's $101.93. Take profit two is $160. From the absolute first time we called Nike, it's done fantastic. It's been very slow recently, so just take your time with that. So Nike, you still have tons of time to take some options out, demo trade only, and make some money on Nike. Nike is a cash cow. Just follow it down. Every time you see that you're able to take some more profit out and or make some better entries with your options, do so. Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. That's for Nike. So on Target, I said, let's go take a look at Target real quick. Hold on. Still love Target, by the way. It's an absolute beast. It is also 3 months, 6-month buy stop. Target. Let's see. $90.84. Okay. Target has not reached $212. I'm going to reevaluate Target right now for you. We can clearly see on our 3-month orange line high, pink and purple low, obvious buy stop right there. You can see the pullback below the red. It's perfection. The Target is the strongest, highest recommendation for a buy stop I can make, demo trade only. Target 121. Let's go 118. And then 167. 118. All right. Let's see what kind of low I'll look at here, if there's anything. 3-week sell, daily sell. Can it go back down to here again? $85.42. Target 6 month, 3 months, 6 months. Oh, hold on. Target 3 months, 6 month buy stop. Current $90.84. Can go as low as $85. All I care about is the buy stop for the 3 months. Take profit of $118.93. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on these symbols as I call them for you.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. If you have any questions over what I'm looking at or doing, please speak up. Let me know. will go over $92. Let's see if that's correct. All right, let's take a look at CVS. Gorgeous. CVS is just beautiful. Look at that. All right. See where currently CVS is at. $82.52. All right. $82.52. I said it would go over $92. 3 6-month buy. All right. So let's take a look at where we're heading is correct. And it's going to go over 9. Let me see if I'm right on my call. Oh, fuck yeah. I've been 100% right. Yeah. It's going to go to 80. I'll go with 86.07. Is it going to go to 92? Yes, it will. It will go over 92. All right. So, CVS. We'll put the 92 right here. I'm sticking by that original call. It'll absolutely do that. It's already gone up fantastic, by the way, in case some of you didn't see that. And let me see that one more time. $86, $87. I'll do 87. Is it going to dip at all? Let's see. I just love CVS. Such like a little tank that could. It just keeps going and going and going. Yep, it will go over $92.30. I stick with that. The next take profit it's going to hit is going to be $86.59. And then it will go over the 2. Yep, that's correct. Low is NA. I don't see a sell coming in on that. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook. This is kind of a boring morning. I'm going to just update these as I'm calling out Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And Target and CVS. Demo trade only, but that's where they'll be going. We've already done extremely well. Nike kept going down. Target. We made a little money for short term in Target, and then we made a good amount of money in CVS, so we're still cruising. Estee Lauder. I guess I can keep it there. I'm going to rechange all my shifts though. Estee Lauder. Let's see what's up with Estee Lauder. Okay. $100.78. There you go. $100.78. All right, let's see what Estee Lauder is going to be doing. I called Estee Lauder to go over 120. Currently we're at 100. But then again, we have to go back to where we were. Let's go over to the daily. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is really, really nice. Yeah, it's gone up nicely actually. Good job. All right, this is an Estee Lauder. Take any 30-minute buy stop until Estee Lauder hits its a daily blue line, until it goes to $137.96. $137. All right. That's why I go over 120. Yep, it's still 100% going to go over 129. That was a correct call. So no need to worry about that. All right, so we have our take profits. And let's see, is it going to dip any lower? The daily blue, I have to call that too. Daily, weekly, let's see the weekly. It is a sell stop, yeah. $69.54. Take profit 137. I'm good with that. But I don't think it's a 6 month. It is a, hold on. No, it is a 3 month, 6 month. Huh. That's interesting. Three month, 6 month demo buy. That's correct. Estee Lauder, 3 month, 6 month demo buy stop. It's currently at $100.78. It can go as low as $69. I'm just writing that down. I'm not calling the trade. I don't care about that. All I care about is a 6 month buy stop. Take profit would be going to 137. Oh, this is to a blue line, by the way. Hold on. Okay. Normally, if it wasn't Estee Lauder, I'd be all over that trade. I'd be buying options left and right. But because it's Estee Lauder and one of our members isn't high on it, I'm just backing off a little. Wow, Estee Lauder looks delicious. Just be careful. One of our members, Kim, I think it was Kim. Which one was it? Yeah, no, it was Jan. Jan didn't like Estee Lauder. Something to do with the Germans and the government and stuff. I don't know. I just know it looks perfect, and I'm still calling it. All right, Verizon.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Verizon. Oh yeah, we've already been doing great on Verizon. 6 month, 12 month buy stop. $47.20. All right, Verizon is going to take a little longer to move. It's 6-month, 12-month buy, but we'll get over that. Next. $40.55. All right, I said I'd go over $54. Do I still agree with that? Oh, yeah. First, though, is going to be $45.80. And what is it currently? 40. Yeah, I like that take profit. So we're going to go $45.88. And then your take profit of $54.54 will still happen. Will it go down any lower? Oh, is there a 12-hour? Where is that going to? Daily? Weekly? 3 weekly? 36.77. All right, and then that's the high. Yeah. Oh, I did not just do Verizon. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Profit 1. Yeah, that's Verizon. Sorry, I changed the wrong one. Love Verizon. Beautiful trade. Beautiful stock. Verizon 6-month, 12 months can take a long time to develop. Could dip down low as around $36, $35, $36, but whatever. Just constantly do your buy-ins. Take profit one is to be $45.88, and we'll go past $54.55, and that's for Verizon.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, Cody? Good morning, Grant. SMCI. It was called, I see. SMCI. We'll go over 59.70. Okay. SM. Seven-hour buy stop. 56.20. 50. Oh shit. Hold on. All right, let's try this again. Okay. SMC will go over 59.77. Do I agree with that? Yeah. Three-week monthly buy stop. All right, SM. It will go over tonight. Yeah, I still stick with that. It's going to go over that, no problem. So that was for 59.77. $52.18. $52.18. Do I see any kind of slide in it before we get there? SMC, I don't think so. No, we're good on that. Well, it's a little backwards, but that's the way that's going to be. All right, SMCI. 3-week monthly demo buy stop. It's currently at 52.18. It'll be going to 59.77, and then it will be going to 63.93, and that is for SMCI.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's see, is everyone falling asleep out there? Kurt, Grant, everybody, good morning. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. I'm just updating my list of permanent buys. When they flip over to sells on the daily, I'll let you know. We make money on the way up with my system, and we make money on the way down with my system. PFE. PFE. $24.51. $34.23. Do I still believe that? Let's see. PFE. We definitely still have to validate the sell. Sell to $22.80. Okay. $34.23. I still validate that. It's absolutely going there. Let's see if we have another take profit before then. I believe we do. 6-month buy stop. Nice. $30. $39, $30. Let's see. Okay. Yep, PFE, I am comfortable with that. Is actually a 6-month. 12-month, that's yearly. That's crazy. It's a long time on this one. PFE.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Next. Starbucks. We'll go over 109. Let's check that out in a second here. I said it will go over 101.09. Let's see if I still agree with that assessment. Monthly 3-month buy stop. Starbucks can dip down to at least $74.48, so I have to put that in here. Okay. All right. I love the monthly, 3-monthly buy stop on Starbucks. $96 and $112. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Starbucks is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop, and I love it. I'm calling it a little higher than it actually is, but so what? Still fantastic. And it's not just because me and my beautiful wife, Bree, keep it in business. We actually love Starbucks, and it's actually doing really well. All right, so that is Starbucks. Absolutely will go up above 101.09 as I called. Next up.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Flow. Let's see if Flow's flowing, but I don't think it is. I think it's doing shit, but that's good too. It gives us more opportunity to get in later. Flow. How low will she go? It is a daily, weekly, 3-weekly. Flow can go down to, whoa, $10? Wow. $10.89. But I don't think we're going to hit that, but we'll see. All right. And let's see what this is. 3 months. Oh, yeah, it's still gorgeous. Gorgeous. Take profit of $15.51. Yeah. So this is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Flow, 6 months, 3-month buy stop. Right. So let's see what the current flow price is. $12.76. Take profit. Still going to go over this. $19.66. I stand by that one. And I also am calling out a new one. There you go. That's for flow. Next up.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Let's go on to Oxy. We'll go over $69. Let's see if I'm right. Let's go to Oxy. It's still going down. I love it. More opportunity for us to make money on the way up. Oxy still a 3-week sell. $22.71. I don't think it will go that low. That'd be nice if it does. Current price of Oxy. $40.09. Cool. $40.09. Oxy low. Now where are those take profits going to? Oxy $69.77. Oxy. 6-month, 12-month buy stop Oxy. Jeez, that's going to take a long time. It is. So it's a beautiful trade. 6-month Oxy, and we're going to go 53.66. Yeah, we got that. $48.42. And then, oh shoot, fire did the wrong one. And this is $69.77. All right, and then the newest one is going to be $48. And then the low. Yep, that is correct. Oxy will hit $69.70. I'm standing by that all day. It's a very good trade. Just going to take an extreme amount of time to do, but we'll get her done. So that is for Oxy.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. You guys are probably falling asleep. I apologize, but this is just one of those days where we're going to grind through a lot of these things and get them all done if we can. TM is next. Oh, geez. That's funny. Hold on. TM currently is at 197.83. Is that right? Okay. 197.83. All right. Let's see. We call TM to go over $210.63. And let's see if it even came close. Ooh. Hold on. We got to go back down here, though. When was this? April, May, June, July, August. No, but it did go up nicely. TM. Let's see. What is this one? Is this a weekly? It is a 3-month buy stop. 3-month monthly buy stop TM. 212. Let's see if I'm still going to call it for that. I am. Oh, yeah, it's definitely going to be going over there. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Do I see a low before that hit? Let's see. No. 3-week monthly. Let me change that too. So 3-week monthly.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Go over 210.63. It will. And before then, somewhere around 205.55. All right. Okay. TM still has plenty of time. You can jump in that one. Feel free.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, Mike J? What's up, Grant? Caesar, Kirk, Filio. What's up, peeps? All right, let's just recap a little bit. We're going over the updating our list from about 2 months ago to current. We've gone over Nike, and I'll go over this at the very end. Nike's got my strongest recommendation buy. Target does. CVS does. Even L to the daily blue line. Verizon, SMCI, PFE, Starbucks, S-Bucks, Flow, and Oxy are all strong buys. Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. And now we're on to our next little lovely. ASML. ASML. Oh, see, everything got changed around here. Fuck. I'll have to start changing these too. I know ASLM did good. Let's see, what did we call for AS? No. We called it to go over $923.99. So $923. Let's see. Yeah, we got that beat. Back here, yep. ASML did actually everything we called for. It was perfect. I'm going to have to move ASML to a closed one. Okay, ASML is now a closed trade. We're on a Tesla. I said Tesla would go over $377, making Elon the richest man in the world yet again. All right, let's see if that was true. We all know it was, but let's see. Ooh, Tesla, see, they're out of order now. Fuck. All right, Tesla, from the time I called that trade, went from there, and it went up to over $475. And I called for Tesla to go over 300. Yeah, by over $100. Tesla is now a closed trade also. Tesla hit all take profits. Easily, by the way, I might add, and I told you it would. Just saying. Good morning again to everybody. I know this is boring everybody to sleep, but it's one of the things we have to do. All right, United Healthcare. I know that thing's kicking ass. I'm up so much on my options, not even funny. United Healthcare. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we called for United Healthcare. We'll go over 357, which it will, but that's awfully down the roadish. Let's see where United's at right this second and where it did hit. Oh, it did go there. It did go to 357 and it isn't done. A rare United Healthcare buy stop daily to the blue line. So we're going to update this. This is going to be even better now. Did I double click that freaking thing? Oh my goodness. All right, hold on. Hold on 1 second. All right, United. We'll go over 357 and we can see that it did. $356.60. I'm going to go ahead and say we hit that take profit. Oh, nope, nope, nope. We don't want that one. Trademark United. Okay, United. It is a, I still like that daily to the blue line. Monthly, 3 monthly buy stop, okay? United hit $357.23. My last call was 100% accurate. I'm going to keep it there, but we're going to revise it upwards. United has a lot of money to go up, a lot of time to go up. So let's go ahead and see what United's going to do, if it's going to have a little dip here. It will. 266.88. $356.60. 350. Hold on 1 second. All right. 356.60. $405.55 is my new take profit for United. Yeah, I love that one actually. Okay, next.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
NVO. All right. NVO. Let's see what the current price is. $54. Okay, let's see. Daily, weekly. There is a daily, weekly sell stop for NVO. $41.89. $54.37. And we can see that going down to as low as $40.48. Close enough. All right. Let's see where this is going to roll to. Monthly, 3-monthly buy stop for NVO. Yeah, this is really good, actually. NVO is a real strong. Yeah, that's good with NVO. Still going to definitely go over $77 and way above that, actually. Good morning, history and wildlife girl. So glad to see you this morning.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Jamie Rojo, Caesar, Grant, Cody, Kirk, Filio. Welcome to everybody. It's kind of a boring morning. I'm updating all the symbols. Of course, if you're paying attention to anything I'm saying, you have a really good opportunity here. They're doing really good. All right, so that's NVO. Qualcomm did fantastic. Oh, I just love Qualcomm. Yeah, we're going to have to add a few more here. Oh, jeez. All right. $163.45 currently. All right. Qualcomm. Still sticking with the original call I made for it. It's a beautiful monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. 100% sticking with this call. Love it. Really? Give me just 1 second. All right. Qualcomm. Let's get over to it. Yeah, it's still gorgeous. Like I said, the daily, the weekly, 3-week monthly. Qualcomm, yep. 3-week monthly buy stop for QCOM. Yep, we hit the 174. Yeah, we're going to go above. Do I say any lower? No. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to still call Qualcomm even though it hit it. Because it's resetting again, so I'm going to go ahead and call it again. So you guys can make some more money on it. Really? Love it. 12-hour daily buy stop for QCOM. It's going back to 168. 3-week monthly buy stop QCOM. Hit all take profits. 168. Yep, we're calling that again. NA for the low. Current 163. Okay. Take profit 1 for QCOM is 168.55. Take profit 2 is 174.23. All take profits were hit from 828.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Good morning, Henry, Jamie, Caesar. Good morning, peeps. It's a boring one this morning, just going over the call outs I made. I was slightly correct on these metals, huh? All right. That is for QCOM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Next up is Disney. I'm calling for Disney to go over $150. Let's see what Disney's done. I think we have plenty of time to make some money on Disney. $110.67. And I called it to go 150. Well, that ain't right. So that must mean we have a lot of time left on Disney to make a lot of money. Let's see. Disney was called to go to 150.55. Let's see if it will. Well, I'm positive it will, but let's double check it. Yeah, Disney's still farting around with its little cells here, but we'll get past that. $12-hour buy, stop Disney to the blue line, $111.76. Daily buy, stop Disney, $120.93. Daily, weekly buy, stop Disney. 3 months, 6 month buy, stop Disney. 121, 142, 121. 110.67. Is that what that was? 110.67. There is a sell on Disney short term. Let me see where that was going. Four. All right. Disney will definitely go to 150.55. You can take some long-term leaps on Disney, option-wise. Open to order, open to call, call to order, whatever the fuck the terminology is. And that's for Disney. Yep, you have plenty of time on Disney to make some very good demo money. Extremely good demo money. All right, that's Disney.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Here comes Intel. I said Intel will go over $39.01. I know we blew past that one. Let's see if I still want to call Intel. $37.01 is current. Yeah, we're going to call it. Okay. Yes, Intel went up. Hit $39. I know that. Let's take a look, though. Oh, hell yeah, it did. So let's go back to 12-hour. I'm going to call it a 6-month buy, too. Yes, Intel hit all take profits. New take profit will be $45 for Intel. Okay. Intel, strongest buy recommendation possible. It's currently at $37.01. It'll be going to $39. Then it'll be going to $45.55. That is for Intel.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Couldn't give a strong enough recommendation for Intel, Disney, QCOM, NVO, United. Tesla's done. I'm not calling anymore. ASML is done. All these other ones are excellent also, especially Nike, Target, CVS. Intel. I think that was a 6 month though. Let's get this over here to this. Six-month, 12-month demo buy stop. Yep. All right, that's Intel.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Next up is MTCH, Match.com, which I call Mitch. Demo gold. Daily, weekly buy stop will hit record highs again on gold. Yeah, you think? We'll go over $40 an ounce. Told y'all on silver. We'll get to that in a minute. All right. All right. Next is the match. What's up, Eric R? What's up? Lock them up. Three-week, 1 month. Okay, let's see for Mitch. He said it will go over 76.76, and let's see if it did or not. It will. Let's just see if it did or not. $32.54. Let's see what we've got here. MTCH. I type in the right one because that 32.43. Okay, let's go with that. 32.43. I know I made money on my options, but let me see what happened with that. I'm gonna have to sit down on this one. Okay. Um, 32.43. All right, let's see what I think of Mitch still. Don't care. Daily. Oh, that's really good. Daily buy, weekly sell, 3 weekly sell. 29.28. Let me do this as 29. Okay. Still a nice daily buy stop to the blue line. It's very nice. Hold on. $48.48 on a daily buy. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not personally taking the trades on Match, but I mean, they're perfectly called. These are easily called trades. 65.87. Yeah, it'll go there. $40. Yeah, sticking with the match. $76.76.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Next. FedEx. Let's take a look at FedEx. Okay. Where is FedEx currently? $237.80. Okay. We'll go over 264.96 is what I said it would do. Let's see how it's done. Actually, I made money on these options too, so I know it was doing okay. All right, 237. This is for FedEx. Buy stop FedEx to the 12. This would be perfect for shorter term options. If you can get options within the month of FedEx on this 12-hour, you're going to be just take any. I would take strike price of $244.71. Demo trade only, but that's a very good trade. 244.71. 244.71. Do I think FedEx will dip again? Let's take a look. 12-hour buy. Daily, weekly. I do not. I'm going to put NA on that one. I think we can get around that dip. Okay. Can't give a strong enough recommendation for a buy for FedEx. 12-hour buy. Love it. 3-week. It is a fast one. Yeah, I think FedEx is strong, very strong. I like it a lot.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Next is P&G. $151.40. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Let's see if I agree with the 169. I'm sure I do, but we'll make sure on this. All right. Procter & Gamble. Do I still like Procter & Gamble? 12. This is not Procter & Gamble. P&G. Getting smashed daily. There was a daily sell, weekly. 146.73 it can go down to. 146, close enough. Let's see those take profits. 3-week monthly buy stop. Yep, that's correct. Take profit of, yep, 160. Absolutely. This one's being changed to 156. 146, 169 P&G. Strongest possible recommendation for P&G. 3-week monthly buy stop.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Whew. All right, this is kind of boring, isn't it? All right, any of you out there still awake? I'd be surprised if you were. What we're currently doing is we're updating my call outs from 10/18, from 8/28, August the 28th until now. So I'm updating all the calls. Oh my God, I got so much to do with US 30. It's just gotten more and more. All the indices, all record highs, as called. All the cryptos did exactly what I said they were going to do. They're all closed. Stocks, I have to go over this list. I'll do it another time. I'll add to it. NVIDIA called correctly. Look at this. Johnson & Johnson, AMD, Costco. All of these called correctly. I have to add a couple now. Crypto still strong on Litecoin. You gained 36% on 33% and 36% on Litecoin twice since I recommended it. Bitcoin called correctly. These are the current stocks. Now this is what I was doing for you guys right now. I'll tweak that up. I called for back on August 28th for gold to go to record highs again and again, and it did. Silver will go over $40 an ounce, and it did. So correct. Now a lot of these you still have plenty of time to take advantage of to get in, i.e. FedEx, P&G, all of them basically. And I'll update the list. I'll send it out to you guys. I'll send it out to the email people. I'll post it in the Discord, and you guys will have an updated list. All right. Anybody have any questions over what I did? Please ask now. I'm about to do a shit ton more work, just, privately now. All right. Thank you all. Thank you, Lazarus. God bless you all on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Everybody had a very nice weekend. I hope, pray for you all to have a great weekend. All right. See y'all. God bless.